Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a collab video for you guys. Actually one of you guys had asked me a while back if Drea and I would collab again doing a colorful look. So her and I came up with this idea. And it so happened that I just recently hauled this palette, which is the Sephora Pro editorial palette. And we decided to pick 4 colors for each of us. We had to use all 4 colors and choose the lip product. So I sent her mine and she just sent me hers, and this is what she wants me to use. So those are the 4 colors I have to use, and I had a feeling she was going to use black. I rarely use black eyeshadow just because it makes the look super smoky. So I have to figure out how to use that black, and I thought about this last night because I knew she was going to pick the black. Something told me she was going to pick the black, and she told me I can't use it as an eyeliner. So I have to incorporate this in the look. So I've already done most of my face and primed my eyes, so here is the palette. I have to reference back to see which are the colors that she's telling me to use. So I have it up here. So it'll be these 2 down here, this hot pink, and then obviously the black. And the black is not matte. It has some sparkle to it. This will be interesting. Okay. Oh, and I forgot to mention too that we both picked our lip products. I sent her a nude. I was being nice. She told me I needed to use a vampy color. So she didn't give me any stipulations with the lip color. So I'm going to come up with something that's vampy, but she didn't tell me what finish. So I'm going to use that to my advantage. All right. So we're going to start off with this color right here. And I'm going to concentrate this on the outer V and then blend it in as my transition color, because that's the only transition color I have besides black. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to have to work slow with this. I've never used this palette before. She has, and I trust her. So we're just going to pack this on. And this is why I wore this shirt. I just wore a plain shirt, put my hair up in a ponytail, because I had no clue what I was going to do today. And I was afraid that my shirt was going to clash with whatever it is that she picked. Because I literally just got it minutes ago. It wasn't like I had pre-thought this out. No, I just got it minutes ago. So I am going to work this in. I'm not going to bring it too high up either. As always, I'm going to blend out just the outer part. I'm not going to blend out too much of this. I'm going to grab a more detailed brush because now we're going to go in with the black, and I'm just going to keep it right here. I'm going to use the smallest amount possible because I'm scared. I'm gonna go back with the pencil that I originally used, the pink, and just blend that out. Colorful looks always look a lot worse than they are before you're officially done. And that goes with any look, but mainly colorful looks. Okay, so for these bright shades, I'm going to go into the gold, right? That's what she picked? Yes. Okay, so I'm going to go into this gold first, and I'm just going to place this in the inner corner and a little bit inside. Oh gosh, this is going to have a lot of fallout, isn't it? Should I wet these out? I don't know. I don't know if I should wet these. I might regret this. I might have to. So I spread my brush, and then we're gonna concentrate this in the inner part only. Okay, and then I wiped off my brush, and then I'm gonna go in to the last shade, which is right here. and put that on the rest of my eyelid. Let me go in my finger. Yeah, it's definitely a lot better. It's better with your finger, that's for sure. Oh my. I'm going to go back into that burgundy shade or that berry shade right here. I just want to kind of fix it a little bit on the outer part right here. Whatever's left on my brush with the pink, I'm going to bring this down to my lower lash line. And pick up just a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the detail brush for the black. I have to blend that out with some pink. All right, stop while I'm ahead. Okay, I think that's the look. I'm gonna do my waterline in black. I'm just gonna use a black liner for my waterline. I'm gonna do a wing liner and lashes, and then I'll return so you guys can see the final look of this beautiful picture. Okay, so we finished the face. And here's what the eyes look like, all done. Actually pretty, I like it. I would do something like this. Now, she chose a deep vampy lip. I think that's too much for this look, but I'm still gonna make it work. I'm choosing Berry Bossy by Maybelline, but she didn't tell me how I could and couldn't use it, so we're gonna just dab this on our lips. And then blend it out in our fingers. Just for a little bit of gloss, I'm going to use MAC Luster or MAC Syrup on the center. So that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We did not invent this game. This has been around on YouTube. I have seen it go around and we got the idea from others from YouTube. So I am not taking, I know she's not either, taking any credit for us inventing this idea, but it has been going around and it's so much fun. I had a blast coming up with this look. I had no idea what I was gonna do, how it was gonna turn out, and it's kind of like a twist to the palette bingo. Just that your friend gets to choose the colors you need to use or have to use in the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will link all of Drea's information as well as the video. I am dying to see her look. I am very, very excited, and I'm hoping that she doesn't get mad at me. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.